Welcome to the enchanting city of Amsterdam, where history and modernity intertwine along its winding canals. Join us on an immersive journey through the vibrant culture, charming neighborhoods, and unique experiences that define this Dutch masterpiece. Our adventure begins amidst the quintessential scenes of Amsterdam, where bicycles weave through cobblestone streets and the echoes of centuries past resonate through historic landmarks. The city's allure is undeniable, a balance of heritage and innovation. Behold the significance of the Anne Frank House, a poignant reminder of history's lessons. Immerse yourself in the artistry of the Rijksmuseum and the emotional journey of the Van Gogh Museum. Step into the enchanting neighborhoods of Amsterdam, where every corner tells a story. Traverse the artistic energy of Jordan and experience the bohemian spirit of etched. Indulge your senses in Amsterdam's natural beauty, from the blooming tulips of Keukenhof Gardens to the nostalgic windmills of Zandschans. The city's surroundings offer a serene escape. Dive into Amsterdam's culinary delights, from stroopwafels to herring fish. Explore the local markets that invite you to savor authentic Dutch flavors. Experience Amsterdam's lively nightlife and café-filled copyright culture that transforms the city after sunset. Embark on a canal cruise and witness the illuminated bridges that add to the city's enchantment. As the sun sets, Amsterdam's skyline transforms into a dreamscape of lights, reflecting the city's timeless charm. Join us in celebrating the magic of Amsterdam, a city that embraces tradition while looking to the future. Whether you're an art aficionado, a history lover, a food enthusiast, or simply captivated by the romance of canals, Amsterdam promises an unforgettable journey. Hit that like button, share the adventure with fellow explorers, and subscribe for more captivating travel content.